I'm going to show you a completed kiln. This is another electric kiln that has been fired. It is a low fire, or cone 04 firing. You can see the glazed work here. The clay from earlier has become in a much more stable, much harder state. This piece is a good glaze on there, a white low fire clay. It's harder. Here's a heart from Valentine's Day. Again, much more stable, much more solid state. Here's some other kilns that we have. We can do high fire in these kilns and bisque in these kilns. This is a gas firing. There's lots of different ways to fire your pottery. Electric kiln and gas firing. Both of our kilns are on right now, and I believe there's a high fire in both of them.